Welcome to Prozome Solar Systems. Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain you about AC and DC and why we need to replace AC appliances in place of DC appliances. Because there are a lot of parameters we need to check. The first thing is the battery life. The second is your DC appliances should not get heated up and you should get more backup. So, in DC system what happens is in morning your entire appliances will work from solar panels. At that time your battery will be charging and you will be also running all your loads. At the same time, when you give a full load, your entire load will be taken up by the solar panels, which the solar charge controller will be controlling all these systems. When it comes to 5 p.m., then the solar panels won't be able to generate much power. In that case, it will take power from battery. So, your battery will have enough power to run your entire load till morning 9 o'clock with full load. So, if you replace your AC appliances with DC, you will get zero electricity bill. Why? Because in morning time you are running from solar panel, evening time you are running entirely from battery. So, there is no connection to the grid line. So, what happens is in this case you get a very good life of your battery. Your battery will run for 10 years minimum, and all the solar tubular batteries used to have 5 years warranty. So, in that case what happens is when you run your appliances with DC, your appliances life also is more, because the system entirely what we give is 25 years warranty with solar panel. So, till your solar panel is there, your all your DC appliances will still be running, because there is no stress to the battery and there is no stress to DC appliances. It is not going to harm your appliance, it is not going to wear up also, because the DC ceiling fan what we are providing is brushless DC fan, and which is having a 2 years of warranty. In that case, compared to AC and DC, DC fans consume a very less power, that is 35 watt in full speed, and your RPM also remains in 400 RPM approx, and it does not generate any heat compared to AC fans. So, I request all of our friends, please do replace your AC, fans, lights and other appliances to DC, so that you get a very good solar DC system which will keep functioning without any problem. Because if you use inverters, your battery is going to die as soon as possible, because you are going to step up from 12 volt to 220 volt. So, every day if you drain from 12 volt to 220 volt, every day if you drain the battery till its low battery, the battery will become dead as soon as possible. Maybe around a 2 to 3 months time, your battery will go off. So, our system you can every day use it like 24 bar 7, 365 days, every day 24 hours you can use, you will have no problem. So, in that case, my request to everyone, the dealers who are providing DC systems, please make sure your calculations remain proper, and if somebody else is doing any self installation, be very careful while doing the installation, because lot of warranty will void if you do your self installation. And please, a request to everyone, when you do a self installation, please take advice with some solar expert, because it is a power system. If it fails at midnight or anything goes wrong at half of your day, you are going to suffer for that. because in this heat, in some places there will be a lot of heat, and in some places you will be also connected to your laptop with your desktop systems and many other machineries from DC. So in that case your half of the work will be wasted. So in that case, please do take advice from solar experts regarding solar DC system. And dear friends, in future we will be coming up with all type of appliances, and we will be installing with lot of artificial intelligence systems and many other automated systems very soon. So right now we are having all type of motion sensors, security systems for garden lights and many other appliances, so which can run it for 24 bar 7. And the most important thing is, it is always zero electricity bill. You are not going to pay a single penny out of it. So just invest one time free of bill payments. So I request everybody to please change your appliances to DC appliances, so that you will have a very good system installed in your house or commercial places. Thank you very much.